physics students, JAMB candidates, bring your seat closer. I want you to pay attention. Leave anything distracting you. This is part 3 of the videos I've been dropping for you on expected questions. We are focusing on those questions that doesn't involve calculations, right? I've not started dropping videos on calculation area. I'm still giving you answers to those questions that doesn't involve calculation. So in this very video, we are looking at JAMB question. It will surprise you that JAMB questions in chemistry and physics involves quite more than half of the 40 questions you will get in chemistry and physics are questions that doesn't involve any form of calculation, right? Even in mathematics, you will still see up to 10 questions that doesn't involve use of a calculator calculating anything, right? So let us dive into video 3. We've done part 1, we have done part 2. What you are watching is part 3 of Expo questions, expected question, past question and answer on JAMB physics. Number 2, the mode of heat transfer that is electromagnetic in nature is dash. The mode of heat transfer that is electromagnetic in nature is dash. A, conduction. B, evaporation. C, convection. D, radiation. Which one? The answer is radiation. Radiation. Remember, evaporation is not a mode of heat transfer. Evaporation is not a mode of heat transfer, right? So basically we have conduction, convection and radiation. And in physics they will always teach it with a thermos flask. I want to give you number 1 assignment. Explain to me what all the modes of heat transfer that happens in a thermos flask. If you know it, come under the comment and answer. These things always come out, right? So the form of heat transfer that is electromagnetic is what? Radiation. Okay. Let's look at question number 3, a bit complex. The condition of resonance, the condition for resonance to occur in RLC series circuit is dash. The condition for resonance to occur in RLC series circuit is dash. A, when the angular frequency of the applied voltage is equal to the natural angular frequency of the circuit. B, when the angular frequency of the applied voltage is greater, the first one is equal. The B one is greater than the natural angular voltage of the circuit. C, when the angular frequency of the applied voltage is less than D, when the angular frequency of the applied voltage is 0. The answer actually is A, when the angular frequency of the applied voltage is equal to the natural voltage of the natural angular frequency of the circuit. If that happens, then the condition for resonance to occur in RLC series. Now, the second assignment I'm giving you, which you should not jump, right? Anytime I'm giving you an assignment, there is already a reason I see. Remember, my videos that you watch in this Noble Tutorials YouTube channel this is not Nollywood. This is not a movie. This is not action film. This is not film you are watching. You are actually preparing for an exam. Even though you are watching my lectures on social media, on YouTube, right? You still need to take it serious. So if I give you an assignment, carry it out. Remember, our goal in this YouTube channel is for you to score 300 and above. 300 and above. If you claim it, type I claim it in the comment. You will not be among those that will not get admission this year. You will not be among those that will score 180, 170, 50, 150. No. You, where we will find you is 300 and above. Claim it and type I claim it. Claim the score you want. You will come back with testimony. You will come back and tell me you have gotten admission. You will be happy when you post your result for me to see, right? So if I give you an assignment, go work on it immediately. Let's look at this question 6. A particle in a simple harmonic motion while passing through mean position will have dash. A particle in a simple harmonic motion while passing through mean position, we have dash A, minimum kinetic energy and maximum potential energy. B, maximum potential energy and minimum kinetic energy. C, minimum kinetic energy and minimum potential energy. D is maximum kinetic energy and minimum kinetic energy and minimum kinetic energy. Both happens. Okay, I need you to read up simple harmonic motion. Now every concept we mention, go over to your physics textbook and read it up, right? There is also a video I've done on 15 most popular topics, 15 topics that you should focus on, because it is on those 15 topics that your JAMB questions will come from. Number 7, a pin flows on water due to the phenomenon of what? A pin flows on water. You know, if you drop a pin on water, because it's solid, it's supposed to sink. But a pin will flow on water because of what? A, viscosity in liquid. B, surface tension. C, capillary tension. D, gravitation. The answer is surface tension. Surface tension. Surface tension. Okay? Look at this question 8 is a bit very complex. If you watch this particular video you are watching from now to the end of this video, remind me to give you free JAMB syllabus and free JAMB past question. I'll give you free JAMB syllabus on physics, free JAMB syllabus on free JAMB past questions on physics. I'll give you free JAMB syllabus on use of English, also past question on use of English. I have also done a lot of videos, Expo questions on use of English, and some other subjects like chemistry, physics, maths, any of them you need. If you need me to give you those videos we've done on Lucky Headmaster, just mention it and tell me to give you the link, and it will be yours free of charge. Look at this number 8 question, a bit complex, so pay attention. It converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. It generates electricity. It is based on the principle of electromagnetic induction. IV, it follows Fleming's left-hand rule. It follows Fleming's left-hand rule. Which of these statements above are true for an electric motor? It converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. It generates electricity. It is based on the principle of electromagnetic induction. IV, it follows Fleming's left-hand rule. Which of the statements above are true for an electric motor? I is it converts electrical energy to mechanical energy. Is it converts electrical energy to mechanical energy and it generates electricity. Is it is based on the principle of electromagnetic induction. Okay, I and IV. Already IV is it follows Fleming's left-hand rule. Which of the statements above are true for electric motor? The answer is D. I and IV. What are they? It converts electrical energy into mechanical energy, and IV, it follows Fleming's left-hand rule. That is for electric motor. Let's look at question number 9. Are you still with me? A thick glass tumbler cracks when hot water is poured into it because of dash. A thick glass tumbler. You can see that this physics, chemistry, biology, maths, they have a lot of theory questions that are not even calculation based. What I'm giving you are real JAMB questions. A thick glass tumbler cracks when hot water is poured into it because of dash. A, anomalous expansion of water. B, uneven expansion of the glass tumbler. C, thermal expansion of water. D, even expansion of the glass tumbler. Let's look at it again. A, anomalous expansion of water. B, uneven expansion of the glass tumbler. C, thermal expansion of water. D, even expansion of the glass. The answer is uneven expansion of the glass tumbler. They expand but are not evenly, so it will not crack. Assuming they expand evenly, the thing will not crack. That's why if you pour hot water on rubber won't crack. It can only expand, but cracking it won't. Okay? Remember, I've given you 2 assignments. Don't forget to answer them for me. Number 10. Which of the following is the function of PN junction diode in a semiconductor device? Which of the following is the function of a PN junction diode of a semiconductor device? A, it can be used to convert alternating current to direct current. Then it can be used to convert AC to DC. B, it can be used to convert DC to AC. C, it can be used to amplify the electrical current in circuit. D, it can be used to step down the electrical current in a circuit. The answer is A. The answer is a PN junction in a diode of a semiconductor device can be used to convert alternating currents to direct current. Right? Now, the third assignment I'm giving you, please submit this assignment in the comment section. Tell me the major difference between alternating current and direct current. Tell me the major difference between alternating current and direct current. Question 11. Which of the following is true of a particle in stable equilibrium? Which of the following is true of a particle in stable equilibrium? A, potential energy is constant. B, potential energy is maximum. C, potential energy is minimum. D, potential energy is 0. And a particle in stable equilibrium, the answer is C. Potential energy is minimum. Potential energy is minimum. Okay, let's look at question 13. The power factor of a series RLS circuit at resonance is that A0, B1, C pi, D pi over 2. Let me ask again. Then the power factor of a series RLS circuit. I want you to tell me everything you can find out about RLC circuit at resonance. The answer is B. The power factor of a series RLC circuit at resonance is 1. Okay? Are you still with me? Now let's look at this question 15. One of these is not an example of mechanical wave. One of these is not an example of mechanical wave. A, sound wave. B, water wave. C, light wave. D, seismic wave. The answer is what? You can already see on the screen. The answer is C. The answer is C. Light waves. Light waves. Okay? One of these is a scalar quantity. You know we have vector quantities and scalar quantity. Now, I want to give you another assignment. Tell me the major difference between scalar quantities and vector quantities. These things will come out, so don't tell me that I'm disturbing. I am not disturbing you. I am actually preparing you for an exam. I am preparing you for 300 and above score. So take courage. All these questions, you can write them down. After you watch this video, you tell me the answers. The reason I'm asking you is because I know the likelihood of those things coming out. And when you answer them, when you now meet them in the exam, it will occur to you, I answered it to my uncle in the YouTube channel, and it will be easy for you to answer. Which of the following is a scalar quantity? A, electric potential. B, electric field. C, angular momentum. D, linear momentum. The answer is, for scalar quantity, the answer is electric potential. Electric potential. Okay? Okay, let's continue. Question 20. A transformer core is laminated to reduce dash. You know transformer and the core is normally laminated. Okay, a transformer core is laminated to reduce dash. Please tell me define a transformer for me. Define a transformer. If you this one is not a must. The other assignment I gave is a must, but this one is not a must. But if you can, please define a transformer for me in the comment section. A transformer core is laminated to reduce dash. A. Hysteresis loss. B. Copper loss. C. Eddy current loss. D. Stray and dielectric losses. The answer is, it's not hysterical loss. Hysteresis is not copper loss. It's eddy current loss. That is why the core of it. These things I'm telling you, just note them, just have them. Watch this video many times so that you will learn. Do you get me? A glass rod is charged when rubbed with silk cloth because a glass rod is charged when rubbed with silk cloth because dash. A. It transfers negative energy. B. It transfers positive energy. C. It accepts negative charges. D. It accepts positive charges. Let me ask again. A glass rod is charged when rubbed with silk cloth because A. It transfers negative charge. B. It transfers positive charge. C. It accepts negative charge. D. It accepts positive charge. I won't tell you the answer, so I need you to go under the comment and tell me the answer of 21. I'm not telling you the answer of question 21. Go under the comment and tell me the answer of this question. In the next video, part 4, we will continue from question 21 and I will actually start with telling you the answer of question 21. To receive those materials, just do 4 things. Number 1 is compulsory. Join our YouTube channel. Go to our YouTube channel. You can see the option to join. Click on join. Follow the prompts and join. Very, very basic. Number 2, just like this video. Number 3, share this video. Very important. Just click on share. Share it on WhatsApp. Click on share. Copy the link. Share the link on all the WhatsApp group you belong to, all the Telegram group you belong to, all the Facebook group you belong to, all these groups you belong to for JAMB candidates. Share with all your colleagues, friends writing JAMB. It will help them to pass. Then subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. When you subscribe, come under the comment of this video and type, I have subscribed. Once I see you type, I have subscribed, I will chat you up and send you free JAMB past question, free JAMB syllabus, and any other material you might need. There is a video on the screen. Click on it and watch now.